we've been having nothing but steady rain for the last couple days, so hopefully we can get back out here and finish some of this. This one here gets the tea and eggshell treatment. And of course it would appear that someone is keeping a close eye on the proceedings. So I finished up this one by planting some red swan beans. That's a purple variety. And over here I put in some Rutgers tomatoes and some beefsteak, and finished off with a variety of green beans called Lewis. Here. A little bit of a different spot today. What do you think of that? There you go. Well, had enough energy to get one more plot done. This one has a subarctic variety of tomato and beefsteak, and a yellow bean called Gold Rush. They're getting there, I guess. Well, if I don't get anything else done today, I gotta get this thing up. Easier said than done, probably. Time to bring the bigger sledgehammer in. job than what I anticipated. I think that should hold us for another year, maybe. Fingers crossed. Oh, Otis. Come here and sit down. Come on, sit down. Even the supervisor stayed away from this one. You're not into fences, are you? Oh, my. Well, half of it, I guess. All we can do today. Isn't that right, Bub? Yeah. Had a half carton of leftover egg whites that I had to use up. So, made up some chicken and cheese chaffles.